Searching for durable boat lift services on Old Hickory Lake? Middle TN Econo Lifts LLC is your go-to source for strength, stability, and shoreline confidence. From fishing boats to pontoons to jet skis, we protect your ride with precision-engineered support. Old Hickory Lake is all about freedom on the water. We make sure your lift system keeps up with that lifestyle. Smooth, simple, and stress-free. Econo lifts are built with heavy-duty construction and minimal maintenance in mind, so you can spend more time cruising and less time worrying about your dock setup. We're local, we're experienced, and we're trusted by lakefront homeowners across Middle Tennessee. From quote to install, our team gets it done right, the first time. We serve Old Hickory Lake and surrounding areas with fast turnaround and dependable service. Every job we do is backed by quality materials and true attention to detail. Ready to secure your boat or jet ski with a lift that lasts? Call Middle TN Econo Lifts today or visit our website today. Because when it comes to durable boat lift services on Old Hickory Lake, you deserve the best. Middle TN Econo Lifts LLC. Built strong, built local, built to lift.